Captain Victoria. Spin her around. I'm back this way. Oh, I'm going faster. Look at the back looking round. Oh, look, we've got some bumps here now.
Oh, that's making me feel sick.
Oh, no, that's so sick. That is so sick. Go stand at the back.
What, so you can drop me off?
I'll give you a kick.
You can't kick me now, I've got you on camera. So.
Don't fall over, Vic. Look at that. It's not even deep. It's really shallow up here. There's what? No way. What's that in your ear, Vic?
What? What? Stop. Leave it out.
Alright, where are we off to? We following the path? Oh, look at that. Oh, no way.
Hmm?
That is cool.
Oh, that's pretty.
That is pretty.
Oh. Keep to the left. No, not up there. That's it. Darren, I think that's far enough.
Just woke up and heard meowing. Hello. Vicky's feeding it. It was in the tent. I don't know how long it's been in it. Oh. Oh, look at this drop. God, that's steep. Oh no, we come down here yesterday, didn't we? I suppose we didn't skid down it.
That's what I mean.
It's actually easier, gets us down quicker.
Stop! My legs can't go anymore.
There we are. Bridge. We're actually here, we've like completed the journey we've done in the car. The sketchy journey that we've done in the car, that little river.
I really wish I had my watch for this.
Yes, I am. I think I'll do somewhere. Oh, look at that. It's cool, isn't it? Where are you going? Cool little bridge. Do it. Look at all that slate.
Yeah, you want to hope that I was right in saying that.
Oh. This is steeper.
Now, once we go in here, can we go back?
Could have done with our head torches.
Hmm?
Oh, quick. Wow, massive, isn't it? Wow. That is beautiful.
That was worth it.
Isn't it? Touch walls. Look how deep that is. Look how deep that is. That's proper deep. You want to go first on me? Oh look, that's all fell down. Oh look where they are, Vic. Look, up there. Smell? Oh, fully. Oh. Oh wow.
Oh no.
Oh yes.
Oh, that dog is good.
Where is he? Wow, there's so much more. So they will. We'll do it. We'll do it. We'll do it.
They are. No, Darren, I cannot get my leg up there.
We'll work together. We'll be all right.
Work together. Why should you record me just falling to my death? No, 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 getting down.
Don't fall into that right from
Darren,
me.
I jump down. Is that right?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, Darren, he wants to get down. And I'm going to panic
Ready?
Right.
Get out your way and then just about. Sorry.
Yeah.
Wait.
Thank you. Cheers.
I can't get my leg up there. It's too
I'll go
high.
up first and then I'll take you up. We'll work together.
No, Darren, it's too high.
I promise we'll be fine.
No, I promise you, it's too high for my legs. I'm not going. You go. I can't get my legs up there. No way. Who did you go for?
Just climbed up that. Oh, she's on it. She's on it. That's it. Oh. Wow.
I think we need to go that way.
Whoa.
I'm not going down there.
You haven't got I want to have a look down there, though. Be careful. Watch where you step in and just make sure you're not going to fall. Vic, you're making me... Is anything safe for me? I'm going west. Stay up there, you crank. Start there. Just be careful. Just wait. Wherever you put your foot, just make sure you ain't slipping.
I might stop now.
Look, it really ain't that bad.
How are you going to do back up?
I'm not a monkey. I'm good. Don't worry. Whoa. Oh, that is scary in there. I need my torch. Just literally pitch black. I'm gonna have a little look. This is why I need my head torch. Oh my god, that's so deep. I'm gonna put my head torch on.
Bye. Torches on your head. Oh, bring it to my face.
This torch does nothing. Oh, this is sketchy as fuck. Woo, I'm scared already. Yeah, fuck that. Fuck that. Fuck that. I ain't doing it. It's too dark. Vic? Yeah? Can you please come in here with me? Please. I can't do it by myself, I'm getting scared.
Yeah?
Vic! Are you gonna come? About 10 seconds into it, and then get scared, Vic, you're going a nice awkward way. Go on that, step on that rock over there.
I can't reach my leg over there.
Right, come down. Right, I'll get you weight.
You know I'm scared.
You don't know, why'd you come down that way? Yeah? Alright, do you want to put this bag on?
Give me the head torch.
Do you know what?
Man's will go first, innit?
Oh yeah. Right, let's do it.
Give me the head torch.
Head torch?
Yep.
Okay. It's not that bright, it doesn't really do anything.
Call me Dora the Explorer. Here I go.
Alright, this is going on YouTube, so we'll see how brave you are.
Okay.
It's very, very dark.
Yeah.
I think I'm more claustrophobic than you. Oh. Because it gives me some sort of confidence having another person out. Look at this. Oh my god. Just steaming through it. Get waterproof boots. Oh bollocks.
Come on, Darren.
I'm coming. Come on, Dora. What the? Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh Vic, there's 2 tunnels.
No. This one first. Please.
Just remember what way we come from, please. Oh. Do you reckon we'll get a signal now? Ooh.
What is that?
What?
That's a fence.
Ah.
So you can't go much further. Can't see. Oh, right in the front.
Oh, it's cold here.
Wow, that's scary.
Should we get over the fence?
No, fuck that. I've still got further than you.
You've gone much further than me. I'm proud of you for that, Jesus.
Look at that. Is that a drawing on the
I
thing?
don't know.
It must be, because there's no natural light in here.
Oh, look at all the dust coming up.
Do you wonder if there's any bats in this cave?
I guarantee there is. In the water.
Yeah, let's go back quick.
Should we go down that other cave?
Oh, look.
Oh my god. Oh, it's all dripping.
What?
I nearly booted myself again.
Now say it on camera that we're not climbing the mountain.
Fine, we're not climbing a mountain
Today, thank you.
today. Next time. Cave there, something there.
This one's actually a bit scarier.
Oh. Oh, shit, rock. Do you know what? I cannot believe you're doing this. You of all people. Oh my god, right at the end of the tunnel. They always say that. There's always a light at the end of the tunnel. I'd nearly just... Vic, look at this. Look at this.
I feel the breeze is nice.
I know, that breeze
What is that? It's like being in Minecraft. Oh.
Minecraft. Oh, look at that little hole.
We're digging for diamonds.
And there.
You best sort that out, Sam.
I'll delete some bits. Right, 2 seconds, I'm just going to put the video on my phone. Might have a bit of a better video. Oh, got the cave dripping now.
If you touch one part of the wall,
Yeah.
out of all of this space, how many people do you think has touched this part of the wall that my finger's touching?
I would say really not many.
In all them hundreds of thousands of years.
Oh, then probably still not many. What is that?
What is that? Plastic bag. Oh my god.
What?
I I've actually got that.
Oh my god. Ooh. Do you know when I watch YouTube videos and I think, I see the cave videos and I think I would never, ever do that. I'm too claustrophobic. And here we are. All this like slime stuff on the walls.
What's your rate, Darren?
Oh no, it's getting really low now. I'm actually bending right down. You're bending down. Imagine how much I'm bending down.
Oh, look at that.
What? Jesus. What is it?
Spider.
Where?
What's that?
I was just thinking, there's no spiders down here. Oh, we've got a dog coming.
Where?
On the other end. We made it. Oh, there is a few spiders down there, isn't there? Oh, I'm bending right down. Oh. Oh, wow. Oh, look at this cool little thing. What they've built. What is that about? That's cool. Oh my god. Fuck me. That is a drop and a half.
That's cheating.
Oh, I don't know, I need a bigger one there. Is that still too small? So cool, it's just so natural, isn't it? Oh, it's all sludgy. I would love to go in it. Next time, we'll bring the paddleboard and we'll go in this one. Oh my god, look at that. It's just pitch black. Deep water. So cool. On our way back to the car after going to see Cathedral's cave. It's pissing down, I've took my waterproofs off, can't be bothered to put them back on. Let's do it. Woo. Getting quite wet now.
Good